So good news, the kidney function appears to be nicely preserved. However abnormal it looks on the ultrasound, it hasn't actually affected the function of her kidney. And that's, in the end, all that actually matters. I always knew I wanted to be a physician. I used to volunteer in hospitals, and I loved my pediatrician. I applied to medical school out of high school. That's how convinced I was. I had planned to be a pediatric general surgeon, but they had me rotate on urology, and I realized that everything that I liked about general surgery was also present in pediatric urology, and in addition, all kinds of other interesting things. We have robots and lasers, and we get to use those on a weekly basis. It's exciting. I'm Michael Kurtz. I'm a pediatric urologist at Boston Children's Hospital. Pediatric urology is a wonderful field. Oftentimes in children, even if it's a fairly severe presentation, we can often treat those children with a single surgery. A potential abnormality can be really devastating. And so part of what we do is counsel families and let them know that there are options available to treat them and cure them. There we go, just draining out the bladder. That should be enough for our purposes here. And look at that sizing. That is just absolutely perfect. The benefit for patients who are seeing a pediatric urologist at Boston Children's Hospital is that given that this is such a small corner of medicine and a lot of the diagnoses are quite rare, to us they seem quite regular. That degree of specialization allows for more experience and also the ability to comfort parents that it is truly something that we see all the time. Oh! Here are those two filters we're talking about. So there's no swelling at all on the right side. And over on the left, there's just a little bit of swelling. So that's kind of, you see how this kind of looks like a kidney bean here? Same shape here. The overwhelming probability is that this is just gonna go away all by itself. I wake up every day truly happy to come to work. Watching a child have a condition, recover from it, and continue in a happy way, there's nothing more rewarding than that.